Category number 7, if you could create a new club or organization in school, what would it be called and what would it focus on? I will repeat. If you could create a new club or organization in school, what would it be called and what would it focus on?
If I would create a club or organization, I will call it Safe Space. As an advocate for mental health awareness, I do believe that there's a lot of students who struggle silently, whether it's personally or academically, and through this organization, I will ensure that every student will be given an opportunity or given a chance to speak up and be themselves. Because I do believe that mental and emotional wellness are essential to success. Dahil salamat ng mga
Hi! Subscribe to MacJude's channel. Please subscribe to MacJude's channel. Subscribe to MacJude's channel. Subscribe to MacJude's channel.
Guys, please subscribe to MacJude's channel. Yan, subscribe kayo guys. Nahantay ko na lang.
Hello guys! Please subscribe to MacJude's channel.
Subscribe!
MacJude's channel, sana ipapatuloy mo yung mga vlog mo. Kaya more viewers and God bless you.
Hi guys, follow Summer Latest Sprite and MacJude TV. Thank you.